So hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So it is the third day. So let's get started the video without wasting any time, guys. So I feel today I feel really awkward or embarrassed to, cause I don't have, I don't even any energy or what the power on my body. But the one thing that I have, that is discipline. So I'm following discipline. So that I'm going ahead. So that's the proof. I feel. I don't know why, but I feel like uh, someone's gonna judge me, someone's gonna monitor me. So in that way, I'm criticizing myself and I'm censoring myself. I don't know why, but this is really worst feelings for me, brothers. So I have I don't do like workout or something meditation these days, and that's why this is also the reason behind. And I feel everything looks really tedious here today. Today's. So I know I don't have to be like this. If I stay. If I stay like this and I don't have to be, if even I feeling I don't have to, because if I stay at the same situation, then how could I achieve my goal? So I have to overcome from this mental state. I don't care, I don't have to care whether if somebody gonna judge me. So if you go with the fear of judging or fear of what insulting by anyone, in that way you can't get anything and you can go ahead, brother. So that's the reality, bro. So know the reality and go ahead, brother. So if you gonna achieve, if you can achieve, and if you want to achieve anything in life, then you have to work hard, brother. But you have to and you have to struggle. You learn to struggle, how to struggle. You might have what listen these kinds of motivational and inspirational contents from others, but it is actually worse and hard to apply in real life, brothers. As I am feeling, uh, I was feeling like I can't, I couldn't, and I can go ahead, I can't make any. It might be hard, it may be really like worse to make videos in previous days. And I started making videos and posting on YouTube. That's it. So that's why I don't feel any embarrassment or I'm today. Now I'm shameless, so that's how I have to be. If I stay like a very wait a person who stay under what uh, under and works under mood, so that's really tedious and boring. So you have to come out of from that and never ever feel that if somebody gonna judge you, brother. So don't even care if somebody gonna judge you. You are still going ahead. So that is how you can become a person you ever want to be. So never ever care about the people's perception, perspectives, opinions. You have to, the flawless you must have. Even you are not impeccable in anything, but you one day you learn and go with this perspective, brothers. So if you don't get in life, and if you are not going to do anything in life, then nobody will comes to meet you, and nobody comes to stay with you, brother. That's the reality. And anyhow, as a responsibility and a duty of a man, has to earn a lot of money. So if you have started earning a lot of money, then no one will ask no one will insult you, brother. And they will come to ask you how you are, and how is your daily life. In this way they will come to ask about your life. So that's the reality. So know the reality, and don't eh, neglect their perception and views. So they are not with they are not hardworking, and they are not struggling with you. So that's why they are backbiting you behind you, brothers, because you are going ahead with your positive mindset mentality. So that's the reality. So you don't have to worry a lot. If you go ahead with a lot of burden, then somehow you could you can pass the what that boundary. But you somewhat you feel it was really what worst things for me. But that's not real, brothers. That's not it's The genuine thing is you have to work hard, no matter what other people think about you. And they're gonna, even they are gonna what they're gonna judge you. They what they argue on your what struggle, life, anything. They can do anything, but they will say anything, but you don't have to stop. That you have to do at any cost. If you have started your journey, then you don't need to stop it at a point, and you don't have to stop here, because if you stay, then you won't learn anything, brothers. So that's the reality. So we don't have to care about anyone's views, opinions. I have already said it, but I am repeating because my mental state is, I'm do you think I'm paranoid? Yes, I'm paranoid, brother, but I won't stop. And I'm obsessed with my visions. Even I don't know anything, I'm not even talking, and I the conversation and controversy and communication is skill is really at a lower level. This is like worthless or meaningless, but I will still going. But I want to go ahead. So that's why I will become a person what I ever want to be. And I don't care about people's perception and views, because I'm not by their side, and they are not gonna, they will never be by my side. So that's it. So everyone here everyone has hardworking for their own self. Nobody's here for others. Everybody in this generation, nobody wants your what progress, brother. So this is the thing that you have to learn in, and you have to know in time. In this generation, nobody wants anyone's what success. They just wanna see you as you are now, like a useless person, for futile anything. So in that way they will criticize you, and they wanna see, always wanna see you in that way. But you don't have to care on their perception and views. You just have to work hard. uh, I know hardworking, conscientiousness, stay in a conscientiousness is really the worst feeling, brother. So people say be consistent and be persistent and always stay in discipline, but it is really hard. If you have learned how to stay in what in this condition or something, maybe anything, but in that situation, you will learn a lot of things. So I know today I'm feeling really awkward, guys. Better than studies or the day before yesterday. I think today is the worst day for me. I don't know why my mental state is changed, brother. So it may be due to some I know, but I can't share, guys. So we don't have to share a lot of things. We must have to keep some things private. So that's it. So we don't have to lose our hope, and we don't have to quit uh, at the journey where we have to in the process of progress. So that's it. So maybe it is it you can't do anything, but you have to take a step and go ahead. So uh, never think that you don't have anything, brothers. Everything you will have if you work hard. But if you just overthink and don't do anything, then how could you have anything? You won't have anything. It's a reality, bro. So learn from your mistakes and go ahead. So even people are judging you. That doesn't matter. uh, they don't have anything. Their character is like really hideous, bro. How they are, how they can insult on your hard work, struggle, anything, brother. They has to support you, but they are still what stopping you, not to let your success what uh, not to they are not letting you guys to become that kind of person. So that's it. So we don't have to care what whoever they are, because you are another person and they're also another. Everybody has here a different existence, and there has to be. So no matter what other people think about you, so that's it. So never ever give up, brothers. uh, I'm not stopping here. I'm not born to stop here, stay as a same person. That's not my reality, and I don't want to be, and I don't want to stay as the same person. That's not my existence. I want to create my, and I want to explore my life, brothers, in a proper way.